Hey everybody, it's Steve Verrier here with my friend Captain Marko from Realty Exchange, and you guys all remember I'm from Caliber Home Loans here in Palm Coast and online at the FloridaMortgageCenter.com. You know, Mark, I didn't even ask you, do you have a website?
Yes, I do.
What's that website?
It's realtyexchange.com / Marko Langley. Yep.
Okay, realtyexchange.com / Marko Langley. And you've been a realtor for how long now?
Oh gosh, I've been a realtor since 2003. 2003, we've been a realtor. Most of Florida, all over Florida. Palm Coast has been our favorite spot to be. We've been here twice now.
Right. Well, listen, I asked Mark to join me, because he actually introduced me to this great little new way to shop. And if you stick around for the weekend tips and strategies and tricks to help your life out, we've got a demonstration to show you how you can actually get rid of a lot of, you might not even know, dangerous items in your house. I mean, it's not just the millennials that are getting more eco-friendly and green and organic. So definitely any way we can improve our lives is what we're trying to do for you here. But we're here right now to tell you about what's happening this weekend. And speaking of here, where are we? We're at the Uncaged tasting room. One of my new favorite establishments here in the Hammock. I mean, if you haven't been here yet, it's really got a nice feel to it, and they do have a good food menu and beer and wine and all that, as well as some different things that you can purchase for your home, different kinds of wine-based items and things of that nature. So if you haven't been out here yet, definitely want to check it out. So what's happening this weekend? We just went through it. There's a lot of stuff going on.
There's a lot of stuff this weekend.
A lot of stuff. So we'll try to be quick and try to be brief, because we know you don't want to sit here and watch this video for too long. So first things first, it's happening. Shape Up Palm Coast, right? Central Park Town Center, Friday evening. This is an event that actually happens Monday, Wednesday, and Friday evenings from 6:15 to 7:30 p.m. It's a free community fit camp that helps people stay healthy and active, and it's open to all ages and experience levels. What do you think? You're going to check it out?
I'm in. Count me in. I can use that, and like I said, it's free.
It's free, exactly. Can't go wrong. Now, it's run by a gentleman named Zach Shapiro, and I guess you can contact him at 386-747-1580 for more information on that event. And check this out. You don't even have to go anywhere for the next event, because Palm Coast Town Center Movies in the Park is up and running, and at 8 p.m. the city of Palm Coast, along with the Flagler County School District, is going to be hosting this week's movie, Kubo and the Two Strings.
Yep.
Now,
never heard of it.
I don't know. I mean, is it just two pieces of string, or is this is it an instrument?
I have no idea.
Listen, if you know what Kubo and the Two Strings is about, please comment below and everything, because I would really like some information on this movie. But guys, Town Center Movies in the Park, refreshments are available, and you should, it runs into the evening hours, so you should be prepared for cooler weather once the sun goes down as well. All right, so bring your blankets, chairs, things of that nature, and the whole family to enjoy that movie. So also, we talked about Tanger Outlets.
Yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun too. That's kind of like a little fair out there.
Yeah, there's a weekend-long fair running at Tanger Outlets, just south on 95, about 20 minutes or so, and it runs all the way through to the 15th. It's called Tanger Fest 2018, where you can enjoy rides, games, prizes. You can also get a free $10 gift card offer with each VIP festival armband purchase. Okay, so you can visit Shopper Service, and you receive a Tanger-style 25% off coupons to all the different stores. All you got to do is show your armband along with the gift card voucher, and you can collect your free gift card. Limit one per shopper now, all right? Limit one per shopper. So it's free admission to the festival, right? And otherwise it's $20 for the armbands. Okay. Now Friday night is buy one get one free on the armband, so that's probably the best night to go. Friday night, which is why we're talking about it early on here. So, moving on to Saturday, we've got quite a bunch of stuff happening on Saturday. We got Family Farm Days. You ever live on a farm?
Oh yeah, I was raised on a farm.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you might be interested in this event then. It's over at the Florida Agricultural Museum from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday. They're going to have a bunch of agricultural activities and demos running. There's going to be live music in the jam tent, food, refreshments, and also a cowboy fast draw shootout in the swamp, which should be pretty
that's going to be good.
Pretty interesting to see there. They are using live ammunition. So admission is $5. Kids under 3 are free.
Wow.
you're under 3, you're free. So you got that? All right, under 3, 3.
That's cool part about that. A lot of people haven't even seen farm animals. You know, they've never been raised.
Oh yeah, the livestock's going to be there.
Livestock's going to be there.
There's going to be a Native American showcase as well. Now something closer to our respective industries also running on Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. is the 2018 Housing Fair for Palm Coast. Now that's held at the new Palm Coast Community Center. You been there yet? They just opened it up?
They just opened it up. I have not been there yet. A lot of my friends that have been there said it's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, well, for the cost, it better be amazing, and it really is. I mean, I'm very impressed, and the park outside of it is really nice too. So if you haven't been able to check out the new Palm Coast Community Center over there on Palm Coast Parkway at the what is that, Clubhouse Drive in Palm Coast Parkway. You got to check that out. But anyway, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday, they're having, along with Mid-Florida Housing, they're going to be doing the the housing fair, and that's normally held during Fair Housing Month, but this year it's being held on the 50th anniversary of the passage of the Fair Housing Act. How about that? There's a little trivia for you. So, when you go there, you're going to learn all about housing, down payment assistance programs, various loan products. There's going to be credit counseling, and don't forget, you can also call me if you have any of those kinds of questions on down payment assistance or any available loan products that might be your way. So, but that's definitely a great resource, that housing fair, to kind of get yourself a little more educated about the process. Don't forget, Mark helps people buy houses for a living too, yeah. So you can also reach out to him at his website. Or what's your number? What's your phone number too?
321-228-0059.
321-228-0059, if I got that right.
You do have that.
Where's
right.
321 now? Where are you from?
Well, actually, it's Orlando area.
Oh, that's Orlando? Oh, okay.
But after you keep your phone, you get to keep your number now.
Right. And cell phones, so area codes have definitely been long gone. I mean, there's free long distance, most people's plans, so yeah. So we're moving on. I think that covers Saturday. Oh, no, actually, it doesn't cover Saturday. What am I talking about? We got 11 o'clock at St. Johns County Pier, Picnic in the Park, Precious Hearts Foundation. It's actually about survivors of domestic and or sexual abuse. They're having a community reach out for people to encourage them to talk about their issues, and you can listen and share your own stories, and what's the word I'm looking for? I don't want to say commiserate, but what's the word I'm looking for? Where you can share your stories and connect with other survivors of domestic and sexual abuse. They're gonna, that's free food, beverages. Farm Share is going to be giving out free bags of groceries. And there's going to be, information for you so you can identify signs of abuse. There's going to be networking going on and free hugs. All right, so that's something for the whole family. Who doesn't like a hug?
Really?
Free hugs. So on the flip side of the coin, we have the Young Professionals Group getting together for their 5th annual putt crawl in Flagler Beach.
That's going to be fun.
That's a lot of fun. Been doing that for a couple of years now. 1 to 7 p.m. Putt crawlers are going to be making their way up A1A with 9 holes of putt-putt golf at the participating Flagler Beach restaurants. So that's a really, really great time. It's 1 part networking, 1 part putt-putt golf, and a huge, giant part of fun. So, they've got sponsors for all the holes, so you can see which hole sponsor designed the best hole. And there's going to, all the restaurants are having specials, drink specials, food specials during the day, and they're going to be doing all different kinds of contests and awards. There's going to be an award ceremony afterwards, and there's a after party as well. So it's $20 early registration, but $25 registration on the day of the event. And registration begins at 1 p.m. in Veterans Park. So hopefully you can get out there and enjoy that Saturday afternoon one way or another, because if you're in Flagler Beach, you also got the cheer at the pier event. You ever been to that one?
No, tell me about that.
No, they turned the Flagler Beach Pier into a huge event, with different vendors that set up.
Okay, all right.
Food vendors and store vendors, all local Flagler Beach vendors, set up along the pier. And they have live music there as well, so that's almost that's a little bit of a competing event with the putt crawl, because that's happening from 2 to 5 p.m. and it's also their 5th annual. It's also their 5th annual cheer at the pier. So that's always a fun time. They got toast, treats, tunes, And you can check out the website, and that's also a fundraiser for the Flagler Beach Museum as well. So you know, you can go out and support that fine institution. So that I think that covers Saturday, and Sunday is a light day. You know, time to probably relax from that puck roll in the chair at the pier.
We need it.
You're going to want to relax Sunday, and then Sunday night head out back to town center to the park there, but over you know, closer to the Hilton Garden Inn end, and you can check out Symphony in the Park, Palm Coast Arts Foundation, utilizing their new facilities that they're building there. And if you haven't been out to check out the projects that they're doing, constructing, you know, they're in phase 2 right now, so they have the tent set up, but they are going to be putting up a very nice building over there, so I encourage you to check out that, palmcoastartsfoundation.com, and all the ticket info is there as well. So that's going to be fun. Jacksonville Symphony's coming down, and they're going to be playing from 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. And one last thing, remember Palm Coast Bowling? Tell them about Palm Coast Bowling.
No, that's where the kids get to vote free all to August, what, 31st?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Palm Coast Lanes, you know, doing a great little event for the kids this summer, all the way through August 31st. Kids get 2 free bowling games every day.
Give them something to do.
Every day.
Stay out of trouble, go
Every
bowling.
day. Yep, go bowling. Go bowling,
You realize
kids.
by the end of the summer they could be pros.
Right?
Yeah. 2 games a day.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, really, it's a good time. So, guys, definitely hope you're not staying in this weekend, because there's a ton of stuff going on, and don't forget that housing fair. But of course, if you have any, you know, if you have any real serious questions about housing, talk to serious people who are actually working in the business. You know, Mark's Real Estate, I'm financing, home financing, so we're ready to help you whenever you need us. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one, and Mark, thank you.
I'm glad to be here.
Guys,
Thanks for having me here.
make sure you stick around, check out the next video. You're going to see some wild demonstration Mark has set up for us.
Amazing stuff.
Yes.
You'll be able to see how
Prepare to be amazed. Absolutely. All right, take care, everyone. Have a good one.